AT&T ActiveArmor Mobile Security App Review. Is it worth it? The AT&T ActiveArmor Mobile Security App represents AT&T's effort to provide its wireless customers with a comprehensive, carrier-integrated solution to the increasing threats of fraud, data breaches, and online insecurity. As smartphones have become essential tools for communication, banking, shopping, and work, the demand for reliable mobile security has grown, and ActiveArmor positions itself as a service that blends network-level protection with on-device tools. Unlike third-party apps, it benefits from AT&T's infrastructure, allowing suspicious calls and malicious activity to be filtered before reaching the device, which adds a layer of security not typically available in standalone solutions. The app's key features include automatic fraud call blocking, spam risk alerts, nuisance call labeling, data breach detection, and a secure VPN for browsing on public Wi-Fi. These tools are designed to combat the most common threats that mobile users face, particularly unwanted calls and attempts at identity theft. The VPN and identity monitoring features add additional value, offering protection beyond just calls and texts by securing online sessions and monitoring personal data for signs of compromise. Its interface is another strong point, being clean, intuitive, and easy to use, ensuring that even less tech-savvy users can navigate its options with minimum effort. AT&T's integration of these features into one centralized app makes it more convenient than juggling multiple third-party tools. However, the app is not without shortcomings. Many of its most advanced features, such as the VPN and dark web monitoring, require upgrading to the premium subscription, which may leave some customers feeling limited by the free version. While its spam call blocking is generally effective, occasional false positives and misdetections mean that users may have to manually review calls and adjust settings, which can undermine its promise of seamless protection. Furthermore, the necessity of being an AT&T customer to access the app limits its availability, making it an exclusive perk rather than a universal solution. Overall, the AT&T ActiveArmor mobile security app provides an effective blend of proactive network protection and convenient on-device tools, creating a sense of security for users navigating an increasingly risky digital environment. While the paywall for premium features may be a drawback, and occasional inaccuracies in call blocking can be inconvenient, the app remains a valuable tool for AT&T customers. Its seamless integration with the carrier's network infrastructure, coupled with a user-friendly design, makes it stand out in a crowded mobile security space. For AT&T subscribers seeking peace of mind against fraud, scams, and data exposure, ActiveArmor delivers a reliable, though not flawless, safeguard that enhances everyday mobile use. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.